Alright.
Don't look at me. I'm trying to call somebody. For Ashley, her new boyfriend.
Boom, 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 boom. I want you.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
I can't. Whoa. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I don't know what's the song. Go ahead, please. Thank you. Hi, my name's Anne.
Alright, I'm calling him. What's his last name? Corey.
Oh my God. Whoa, that was so.
Oh. Hasty.
Hold up.
That's to do
We
those
got
things?
another one.
Yeah.
I'm calling him.
We gotta go back to Dollar Tree and get some more of these things. You know what?
know.
So,
Wow, she's getting really, really high tonight.
He better answer his phone for Ashley baby. Hey, dude. Is it on? Leave message. What am I gonna sing?
I wanna make love.
Don't leave a message.
I wanna make love in this club, ayy.
What the fuck
in
are
this
you
club,
doing?
ayy.
What are you doing? Calling him back? You don't have texting.
Wow.
I feel like, oh my God.
Yeah?
Let's see.
It's time to calm down now.
Sorry, dude. I like totally had.
Everybody's starting to start going to bed and everything, so it's time to calm down.
Okay.
Okay.
And here she goes with another balloon.
Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my God. Hold on, it's like still hot. Whoa, I'm still going. I have no idea what I want to do today. I'm like so crazy. Like, oh my God, look at me. Focus on me. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Crazy.
I'm not.
Corey, you cut.
No.
I was gonna go. These are the crazy.
I was retarded.
in the whole world. Just kidding.
Where's
Just
Mom?
talk. Just talk. Just talk.
Oh my God. Holy crap.
You're so crazy. This is my sis Corey and my weird
Crazy
sister.
sis Ashley. Hello, what's good with
Yeah.
it? Good ball. You wanna go? You wanna go?
Yeah. Okay. And I'm Taylor. Well, not Taylor. Baby. Remember that, people.
Okay, now we are going to start talking about
Sex.
friends and relationships. Oh, sex? What's talking about sex? Oh, what sex?
Crazy.
Hold on, I'm studying more.
She doesn't like sex. Wow.
I love sex, but I don't want it every day. You know what I'm talking about? You know, I haven't had, well, I'm not going to go to my private life. I'm just going to say it's not important to me. Thank you. Get off me.
And those are, well,
Yeah, we are the crackheads. I am a crack. Make your love to me. I love you too.
oh, Taylor.
Oh my God, guys, we're so going to get in trouble.
Where's your thing?
Look at me. I am beautiful. I am fabulous. I am the most gorgeous person in the whole world. No.
You tell.
I just got that thing on recorded too.
I wonder what Nick is going to think about this. Like, he will so hate me. Like, oh my God. He said this was the most special day in his life. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I need just...
Nick,
If you're watching this, she's high, so don't listen. She loves you.
I'm just high on heroin. I mean, helium, you know. Helium. Hello, it's helium. Helium.
You sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Hey, dude. Peace.